Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace your dryer door bumper. The reason why you might have to do this is because the bumper is damaged or missing. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is our washer model that we'll be using for this demonstration. It's a Kenmore. Keep in mind, what you have at home might be a little bit different than what we have here, but the same technique should still apply. So to get to our bumper, just open your door. And this is the bumper right here. This is the old bumper. You can probably get this off. Yep, I just got it off by hand, just by pulling on it. It's got a couple of ridges on the striker here. That'll help hold the bumper on. But this one's old and worn out. Now, you can grab your new OEM replacement dryer door bumper. If you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. So with our new bumper, we're simply going to slide it on, press it all the way down. Now we can close the washer door, and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.